Welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to be learning how to make these beautiful bows, and this is so easy to make. So if you're also interested to learn how to do, please stay tuned and watch to the end of this video. Thank you. So actually this can be used as a hairband, as a clothes finishing, that's to beautify your clothes. So I actually have 5 inches on both sides. Okay, please form a square, okay, and cut yours out so then form a square, and then this is it. I formed the square and flipped it over, okay, and this is how I'm gonna grab it. Very simple. Please, if you didn't get this, reverse and then put it on slow motion. Okay, now I'm going to just be using this thread, okay, then I'm going to wrap this up very tightly, okay, so it holds firmly. Okay, so after wrapping this up, I will now get a very little piece of fabric that is not too long and run a stitch. I'm going to show you how to do this so it's very clear. So this is one of it. It's very simple and very beautiful to make, and the most important thing is that this is a piece. Before I tell you the important thing, this is a piece. I'm going to be folding it very well, then I'm going to run a stitch across it before placing it like this on the bow. Okay, then I'll hold it firmly at the back. Okay, now just as I was saying, the important thing is that this can be used as a hairband. Okay, I'm also going to make a video on how to show you on how to turn this to a hairband, a hairpin rather. Okay, even a hairband, you can also get a hairband through this. Okay, so this is me just stitching it up, and once you use it for a hairband, it looks so beautiful. You can attach your hairpin and it will match the color of your clothes. And look at how easy it is to make. Did I just take up to 5 minutes to make this? It wasn't. Okay, so this is very easy to make, and you can actually create it to a hairpins and sell it. It's a business idea. Okay, or you can actually get it get this done and pin it on your dresses, okay, as a form of beautification. Make as many as possible. You can, if it's a flayed gown, you can do it round the dress and it comes out beautiful. Okay, very easy to make. All right, now I'm going to quickly do this and set it out. Okay, this is how
my friends will know me go even say they don't say on and on. I don't like her.
Very easy. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using it as an embellishment for a dress. So you can just see what I just did now. I just I used the lighter to tighten it up. It's just something that it's not even compulsory. You mustn't do it. So this is how the bows look like. I'm going to attach this with my gun gum on my fabric. Just watch me as I do it, so that once you do this, as many as possible, you can actually do that on your dresses. It mustn't be too, or you shouldn't be limited to 2. You should do as much as possible, do as many as possible, and it's very beautiful and very easy to do. You can see me applying the gum on it. Please, if you're using this type of gun gum, be very smart about it. Okay, and always ensure that you catch up with the remnants, so that the gum doesn't drop on the dress. Okay, so this is me just trying to gum into the dress, and I will do the same thing for the other flower or for the other bow. Okay, so once I put it on this dress, it's supposed to be a flower for children. Okay, so this is it, and very simple to do. You can even do as many as possible, and just like I told you, you mustn't be a hairpin, you can be a hairband. I'm going to make all those videos so that you'll be updated and stay with me on this channel. So please, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe now, so that every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Okay, so stay tuned on this channel for more videos on how to do sewing and sewing tutorials made easy. Okay, thank you for watching.